Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix security tab missing in Drive properties. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand policies. Click Explorer. Open No Security tab. Change value data to 0. Close and exit Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.